Are you facing short of ideas to make videos for your YouTube channel? Well, that happens with me all the time when I sit to make videos. But not anymore, as I have found out two useful tools that can help you in researching new topics for your YouTube channel. The first tool is the one provided by YouTube itself and can be found in the YouTube Studio. And the second one is one of the popular Chrome extensions that I have been already using, that is TubeBuddy. And now let's see how you can use these two tools to find more topics for your YouTube channel. So let's start with the tool that has been provided by YouTube lately. So you just have to go to your YouTube Studio and just go to YouTube, click on your profile, and then you can come to YouTube Studio, and that's my dashboard, alright, that you can see on the screen. Now what you need to do is you just have to go to Analytics, and here you will see a new tab that says Research. So you just have to click on that, and now here is the tool that you need to do. So the first option that it gives you is to searches across YouTube, alright. What you need to do is, if you have any idea in your mind, you just have to type that and you will get a lot of related topics, alright. So for example, if I type how to earn money online, you will see it has shown me a lot of related video ideas that people are searching for, alright. So it will also show you search volume, but it will not give you much details, and if you have a new YouTube channel, you might not be able to use this tool, alright. If you have one established YouTube channel and you have posted some of your videos, only then this particular tool, the research tab, is useful for you. If you have a new channel, you should just go for TubeBuddy, I guess, as that gives you more details, alright. But still, if you have an established and old channel and you have posted a few videos, you can use this one. So this will show you all the related topics, whatever term or keyword idea you have entered. So I have entered how to earn money online. It's showing me all the related topics, how to earn money online for students, and the search volume on YouTube. So this is showing as high. So these are some good topics that I can cover, alright, and I have already covered this in few of my videos. So I can even like use these options that have been provided by YouTube. Now the best feature that this research tab provides is this tab that says your viewers searches, alright. Before that, I would like to talk about this feature that you can even select the country as well that you are targeting through your videos, alright. So yeah, let's move on to the second tab that says your viewers searches. So this is for your particular YouTube channel, alright. Explore search terms relevant to your channel based on what your viewers and viewers of channels like yours are looking for on YouTube. So this is one useful feature of this tab, alright. This talks about only your channel and not the whole YouTube. So you will get ideas what your subscribers or viewers are looking for on YouTube, alright, or if there are channels like yours, what their viewers are searching for. So if you will have a look here, you can see some topics are already given here. So this will only happen if you have posted a few videos. If you haven't posted any video, you will not be able to use this, alright. So yeah, for example, let's see the first topic. This is how to delete Instagram account, alright. So that is giving me one topic idea for my channel. The reason I have already covered this on my channel before, I guess 6 months or a year back, but as you can see, it is showing a content gap, and that means you can even like read about it. So it says that the content gap means you have made or covered this topic long back, alright, or viewers are not able to find it, or the video has gone outdated. So you have provided outdated information in that, and that's why like viewers are not finding that video useful, alright. So that is what content gap means, alright. So you can, like, if you have already covered this topic, you can still do it again with the new updated steps or information. So that what content gap helps you, alright. So if you will see, I have a lot of topics here that is showing content gap. It means I can like cover all these topics again in my videos. I have already covered those. If you will search on my channel, I have already made 3 videos about delete Instagram, like for every device I have made, then delete Facebook I have covered, Gmail password I have covered, alright, but they have gone outdated or old, or I haven't given enough information, and even the search volume is high. So these could be some good topics that I can cover again. So that's how you can like get new ideas for your YouTube channel if you have one established one, alright, not for the new one. And similarly, you will see a lot of topics, and if you want to create your own list of video topics, you can just press this save button and this will show up here in the saved tab. So whenever you are going to like you are sitting to make a video, you can just go to saved tab and you can easily start covering those topics, alright. So that's how you can make the best use of this research tab that has been recently uploaded, or you can say provided by YouTube. So yeah, you can just search for topics if you want. If you have any idea in your mind, you can search for the topics your viewers are searching for, and then you can create your own list and you can start making videos. Now let's move on to the second method of finding video ideas. Alright, the next tool that you can use for finding topics or ideas for your YouTube channel is TubeBuddy. This is one of the Chrome extension that you can get, alright. So if you can see, I have already installed it and I'm using it in a lot of ways. I have even made one video about it before, so I will also link that in the description box. Now let's talk how you can find ideas for your YouTube channel using this particular extension. So what you need to do, once you have installed it, you need to click here and this will show you a lot of information. You just have to use its keyword explorer right here, alright. So click on that, and here, similarly to the research tab on YouTube Studio, you just have to enter any idea that you have or that you want to cover on your YouTube channel. So let's type the same thing again, how to earn money online. Once you do that, you will find on the right side a lot of topics that are similar to the idea, the keyword that you have entered, alright. This will also show you a lot of information that you will not get with the YouTube Studio tool, alright, the research one. So this will give you a lot of more information, a lot of figure and data. For example, it will show you the overall score, the search volume as well, and the competition you are going to get, alright. If you will see, here are some of the related searches that people are searching for, and if you will click on video topics, you will find some more topics. Now what you need to do is, if you are using the free version, you will not get much information with this tool, alright. The free tool only gives you limited information, but if you have access to its paid version, you can even get more video topics, and you can like do a full-fledged research for the topic you want to cover and what other topics that you should cover on your YouTube channel. So that's how you can also use this particular TubeBuddy extension for finding video ideas for your YouTube channel, and you can see the monthly search and the search volume and everything, alright. So that's how you can find video ideas for your YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section if you like this video, and do give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more interesting and useful videos. With that, I will wrap up this video and we'll be back soon with a new video.